Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll try to talk up because them bugs are back at it again. Trying to drown me out, somebody said last night. Well, we ain't gonna have that. Hope everyone's doing fine today. It's a little, there's no rain till tomorrow. So I'm going to take advantage of it. We're going to get my truck to the shop, I believe. And I'm going to work on that lower pasture today. Let's see. I want to cover a few things before I get started here and forget what they were. Oh, Peggy done a little research on these bugs. And Peggy, one thing for sure, they like heat. When I was down there in them pastures, you were 100% right on that research. I'm going to tell you, they were going down beside the exhaust pipe towards the motor. I was like watching them as I was riding up and down through there. Pew, pew. They were just bouncing in and out. I mean, like they were just going in there. Well, I could say in and out. I saw them going in, I never saw them come out. I think I told y'all the other day, one just decided I must have been hot because one landed right on my nose. I tried to shake him off. You can't shake them off. You got to knock them off because they got a grip on them. They hold on to what they grab hold of. They have no sense of where they want to go. They're just drawn to things. Whatever they grab a hold of is what they hang on to. Old rotten bugs. Well, yeah, it's gonna be a little busy day, I reckon. I got that tire still going low. I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck fixed and get some tires put on it and quit messing with this thing. With that tire. But I'm gonna put some air in some tires and get it ready, because we gotta clear the ramp and the back end of the trailer from the bottom side of the truck. Shouldn't be hard to do, but it won't clear without propping something up. Alrighty, everybody have a blessed day and keep on smiling, because we got reasons to. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if you're just now tuning in, give me a thumbs up. I need them thumbs up from what I've been told. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. Alrighty. I'll be back with you in a little while. Yeah, we got it on the trailer. I gotta strap it down. Hey Daniel.
Yeah, buddy.
There's a white pickup truck behind you, tailgating you really close, man.
Riding my rear like crazy.
Yeah, right behind you, man. If it gets any closer, he's gonna be in the truck.
Woo! Just took that distance.
Well, I'm back. Back at home base. Yeah. Got the pickup down there, all right. Several hours ago. A lot of times passed. I come home and had to get off my feet. And I was up too early. Medicine hadn't wore off and my knees were killing me, so. Oh, I ended up back in the house. But now this afternoon here, I'm gonna try and make it back up this hill. And I'm gonna go down there and work on bush hogging that lower pasture. See how much I can get done. Sun's out. Down there in all them trees, I'm kind of worried about those doggone bugs. As much as they got after me down there in that front pasture, shooting down that stovepipe and everything. Back there in them trees, who knows what's gonna happen. I might be bug attacked. Oh. But from beginning to end, here we go. I'm gonna get the tractor started up and head that away. I was hoping one of y'all done jumped out of here and done it for me. I just went down there and opened that gate so I wouldn't have to get on and off this tractor. None of you did it. I thought Neil or Peggy would do it. I knew Melinda was busy. I know she's busy. And anyway, she's moving. Well, here I go. Let's go for a trip. What you want? Huh? What you over here about? Tell me. You looking for a place to lay an egg? As Stephanie on Life on the Eddie Family Farm would say, you gonna spit out an egg? Huh? Yeah, I think you need to go spit out an egg. Oh, talking about spitting out eggs, you say you come over here too? Both of y'all come on to the barn. Well, it's kind of late evening now, and I whacked this down. I mean, I didn't, there's places I didn't go because it was still too, guys, the ground's just too soft. See, this all, it might not show so much, but this kind of goes downhill. And right about where I was at right there, that got a little iffy on whether I was going to bury the tractor. And yeah, I went through here and down, and that was slow moving right there, boy. I tell you what, I was like, oh no, this thing ain't gonna make it. I got a little iffy. I got a little more to do, and of course, I didn't do no. This is all down here. This is you can probably see some of my tracks. That got a little dicey. See, the water runs right through here too. There's water actually down in there. There's some of it. But this has always been a crossing point, and I went across it. It was okay. brought me down. I didn't do no cleanup work like back up under the trees and all that. I almost think bring the big DR mower down here would be easier to do than you know, going back and forth with the tractor backing up under the trees and stuff. I believe I could spend it's shady down here. I believe I could spend an afternoon down here and knock that out pretty quick. Yeah. I almost got stuck right here too. Right there. There's a hole there. I don't know if you can see it, but deep hole too. Tractor said, okay. But it pulled through. I'll come down here and do a little dressing up in some places. All I need to do. Just want it down enough that when the cows do come into this part, they can. Then I started getting close to the creek, and this is as close as I got because that got a little pretty slants downhill off right here, and yeah. I'm like, no, I don't want to tear the ground up neither. I don't want big old ruts and everything. I want it. If you mow this down with a mower, with a regular lawnmower, and cut it down real good, it's pretty level in most places down here. You got a section up there that comes downhill, levels off. Then you got where that water runs through there, right down through there, right beside them trees down there, and then it levels off again here, and then it kind of drops a little towards the creek. But after I did this, I had to go rest again. Yeah, I'm getting pretty good at doing that resting. I think that's what I do best now. You know, I started making these videos. I started making them for my grandkids. Yeah. And that place in the field right there where it's growed up, right there that I didn't get it all cut. We got clean. That's a burning pile for it that was down here. And we have to push all that back up in there. Now, I hit something down here, pushed something up, and I'm sure it's something that's washed up. See, a lot of stuff comes down this creek. Yeah, the water runs all the way down through here. This is a whoop dip. Comes back up. See, it was getting iffy out through here. I'd rather come back later when it's good and dry. What's the next 2 days now? We got rain again. Yeah, anyway, so I was gonna say, I got sidetracked. Started making these videos for my grandkids so they remember me or get to know me, because I got two that, if the good Lord took me home, they would have never known me. They would never know me. And that's true for the next few years. And I got to thinking about that. And, earlier today, you know, I thought I need to put it in a video once in a while. Two of them will remember me. I know that. Old enough. But I got 4 grandkids. I want all 4 of them to know that I love them. Gotta watch where I'm walking here. And Poppy's was here. And the two that wouldn't know me, hey, I held you. You were cute babies. I'm that old man that you never got to know. Now, if I hang around long enough that you get to know me, you can look over that. You can go, oh yeah, yep, I knew him. But we will have to wait and see. Only the good Lord knows the answers to them questions. Whew, what a walk. Anyway, I'm going to walk back up that way. And I think I got a few hours before it gets dark, so maybe an hour and a half or so. I'm thinking about getting that DR and doing it behind the house right there around the fence where I couldn't do with the tractor yesterday. Oh, well, does anybody want to do it for me? And I won't have to go rest again. All right, I'll catch you up yonder, okay? It's a long walk back. Well, I changed my mind. I made it back up here. I went ahead and got the tractor out of the pasture, and brought it back up here. I said, well, get that done. And then I walked back down there and closed the gates. Yeah, by the time I get it inside there, I could get the worst corner done, but I think I'll wait till after the rain for the next 2 days. And that way when I cut it, if I cut it now, I have to cut it again. So I might as well wait. Grass is, if it rains the next 2 days, it'll be need mowing again. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. I think I'm just gonna call it a night. I'm the only one on the hill, so I'm tired. So I want to tell y'all good night. God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you. And I always say, keep on smiling. And that is truly a reason too. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me a thumbs up. What do you think about my bush hogging? Do I need to get back down there and work some more? Time will tell, won't it? I'm gonna, if it don't rain all the time, I'm gonna, next 2 days, I'm gonna start my fence for my guineas. And get them fence posts in the ground. If I get a break in the rain, hey, they're easier to drive in the rain and when it's wet. So, hey, why not? Good night. God bless. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Who knows? I might go live here after a while. But I'd be live before you see this anyway, so